Recently, I just got the JBL Flip 7 and the JBL Charge 6, so I'm going to put both speakers against each other. Let's see which one plays better among these two new speakers from JBL. Obviously, the Charge 6 is bigger compared to the Flip 7, and for the sake of time, I'm not going to jump into details telling you about their future, price, and all that. You can check out the unboxing video on this channel, and I'm going to be adding a link to that video in the description. And for purchase link, check out the description as well. So if you are curious to know which one plays better among these two speakers, I hope this video enlightens you. And if you want to get one for yourself, I hope this video helps you make a better choice. And for a better sound experience, I recommend you use a headphone or you play from a good speaker so you get a better sound experience regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Now hear me right, for the fact that the JBL Flip 7 is smaller than the JBL Charge 6, I'm sure the sound coming from the JBL Charge 6 will be heavier than the JBL Flip 7, but out of curiosity, I just want to find out. On the front side, you'll find the battery bar indicator on the JBL Charge 6, and on the JBL Flip 7, you find the battery bar indicator on the back side. So this is it charging here. And regarding ports, both speakers came with just the Type-C for charging, and both speakers can also serve as a power bank, so that's a good one. Without wasting much time, let's jump right into it. %50 volume. %50 volume. speakers sound great. Honestly, there's a lot of improvement in loudness and in bass, but as expected, the JBL Charge 6 is way more louder and has more bass compared to the Flip 7. But the Flip 7 for this size, I say it's a very great sound. It's a very good speaker. So if you have that extra bass, I recommend you go for the JBL Charge 6. It has more bass, more loudness, comparing it to the Flip 7. But if you're looking for something very portable, a pocket speaker like this one, then the Flip 7 is definitely a good choice. So that's it for today's video. Until next time, peace and love.